Let's break down the point of sale process step by step. First off, once you're at the POS, just enter your password. This will give you access to your system where you can easily manage all your transactions. To initiate a search for a customer loyalty card, simply click on the Customer button on your interface. This action will direct you to the search field where you can efficiently locate customer information. You have the option to enter either the loyalty barcode or the customer's telephone number, both of which will yield accurate results. Once you locate the customer, let's say their name is displayed as 321, you can click on their name to update it. Just remember to hit Edit first. Change it to Jimmy, for example. And don't forget to save those changes. Now, if Jimmy decides to use his loyalty points, check to see how many he has. If his points won't cover the bill, no worries. You can still apply what he has, reducing the total from $25 to $15.51. When it's time to settle up, click the Pay button, enter the amount he paid, for instance via credit card, and you're good to go. If a customer isn't part of your loyalty program yet, just hit the Customer option and then select Add New Customer. Key in their details like name and phone number, toss in an email if you have it, and save. Now, let's say you're in the middle of scanning items and the customer suddenly changes their mind about something. Just select that item and click Void, and it'll be effectively removed from the transaction. Don't forget about discounts. After scanning all the items, hit the Discount button and choose your method. If you want to give a 5% discount, that's a simple adjustment. And if you want to add a reference for why you gave that discount, just click Reference and jot down your reason. If you have a customer who wants to add more items after setting their cart down, here's the pro move. Click Hold. A little invoice prints out with a barcode, and when they return, just choose Retrieve Hold Invoice and scan the barcode. Everything will reappear for checkout. If a customer wants to replace or return an item, click on the CR Note button and create a new credit note. Scan the bill code or the barcode from the invoice. This will display the original bill section, showing the items the customer purchased. If the customer wants to return all the items, click the orange right arrow to move them to the replacement bill section. But what if the customer decides not to return the first item? Not a problem. Simply click on the first item and move it back to the original bill. Once this is done, click Replace to generate a credit note with a total of 0.950 BHD. If the customer wants to use the credit note right away, click Yes, and the payment method will be registered as Credit Note. Alternatively, if the customer prefers a cash refund, click Pay and confirm the cashback prompt. Now, if the customer wants to replace the items instead, scan the barcode of the new item they wish to exchange for and click Pay to settle any remaining balance. Our system is designed for efficiency, allowing us to accommodate the customer's needs with confidence and clarity. If you ever need to check a price, just click on Options and then Product Price Check to grab the details you need. And finally, if the printer was not connected but you already finalized the invoice, don't worry. You can still navigate to the invoice using the arrows, then click on Options and select Print Invoice. This ensures you can provide the customer with a printed copy at any time. If you have any questions or need clarifications, feel free to ask in the comment section. Take care.